Okay, welcome all you Ocean Beach fans. My name's Phil Rockhold. I'm going to play a few songs for you here just to start this thing off. Well, I've been to the Far East. I've traveled way out west. I've been all around the world and I've sampled all the best. I've seen the Southern Cross and I've seen the Northern Lights. But there's one place I'd like to be tonight. If I had my way, I'd be in your arms with you every day, shelter you from harm, and you make me strong with your loving ways, and we'd never part if I had my way. Well, I've scrounged the streets for food and I've dined with royalty, and it would take a book to tell the things I've seen. I've walked the deserts, scaled the mountains in Tibet, but there's one thing I haven't done yet. If I had my way, I'd be in your arms with you every day, shelter you from harm, and you'd make me strong with your loving ways, and we'd never part if I had my way. If I had my way, I'd be in your arms with you every day, shelter you from harm, and you'd make me strong with your loving ways, and we'd never part if I had my way. No, we'd never